Welcome to Agrotech. Here we explore the latest innovations and technologies that are transforming agricultural production and beyond. In today's video, we'll take you on an exciting journey through machines and devices that help produce not only food, but also various everyday goods. From candy making to high-tech material processing, we'll show you how modern technology is reshaping the world. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. These systems are perfect for those with a sweet tooth. They help in the production of candies. At one stage of production, the cooled soft mass is rotated on a special machine, which stretches and oxygenates it. This process simplifies further production, making the mass easier to handle manually, to combine, knead, roll, and perform other operations. On your screen is the high-tech production of frying pans. This machine reduces the time needed for blank preparation by 30%. For example, it processes a 100mm high part in just 55 seconds. It can produce not only frying pans, but also other items like lighting fixtures, molds, faucets, and mugs. This machine produces grinding discs. The model works with fiberglass and plastic, applies special glue and sandpaper, and is capable of producing 600 discs per hour. The final diameter ranges from 100 to 180 millimeters, and the control is fully automated. The operator only needs to load the raw materials and unload the finished products. This is how beer is bottled in one American company. A special machine fills 6 cans at once with the frothy drink, under the supervision of an operator. Then the lids are fixed on the cans, with beer splashing in all directions. Interestingly, the beer is gluten-reduced, and each batch is tested for this in a specialized lab. This seedling planting machine works at a speed of 3 to 40,000 plants per hour. It can plant into pots, bags, trays, and other containers. A big advantage is its simple interface, while the built-in diagnostic system alerts the operator of any malfunctions. In addition, it can be set to check the number of leaves. If the leaves are fewer than required, the machine won't plant the seedling. Up next is a treat for woodworking fans. This machine carves wooden legs for shelving systems. The manufacturer offers the latest solutions, such as a movement system based on powerful servos and high-speed ball screw drives, advanced software for 3D cutting, and the multi-vision digital processing system are also available. This is how bottles for mineral water, juices, sodas, and other beverages are produced. A special mechanism releases bottles in batches of 8. Additionally, the machine is energy and material efficient, which helps reduce the final product's cost. Let's continue our production tour and move to the machine that makes step drills. It uses CBN cubic boron nitride processing, ensuring more precise cuts. The drills are ideal for working with sheet metal and are used in various industries, from repair to aerospace. The first industrial batch of Eskimo ice cream was produced in 1920. Today, Eskimo continues to be produced worldwide using machines like this one. Thanks to automation, production speed has significantly increased. Just imagine, the very first batch of this treat was only 25,000 units. Equally useful is this machine, which makes perforations in exhaust mesh. The version shown in the video features cells measuring 12 by 24 millimeters and a thickness of 2 millimeters. The manufacturer notes that this metal mesh can be used for various purposes, such as tuning automotive radiator grills. Another method of making mesh involves machines like these. The mesh can be made from thin wire, metal rods, steel sheets, and other materials. Thanks to modern control systems, the machines can be quickly stopped in case of malfunctions. Have you ever wondered how protective coatings appear on gloves? It's quite simple. The gloves are dipped in a special liquid polymer. This polymer often includes neutral, PBH, latex, and various additives. By varying the combination of components, manufacturers can ensure resistance not only to water or household chemicals, but also to petroleum products, alkalis, and even acids. Additionally, the coating improves grip and can be modified if necessary, for example, by applying extra texture. LED bulbs are gaining popularity today, but traditional incandescent lamps are still being produced. Their efficiency is low, while the production process involves the use of tungsten, a rather expensive material. Moreover, vacuum systems and glass-blowing machines are required. Strict quality control is necessary at every stage of production. This machine allows for precise control of both the geometry and thickness of the blank. A contactless laser measurement system ensures accuracy, while a 3D simulation program adds an extra layer of control. Machines like these help in the production of clothing and accessories, cutting various elements such as woven tapes and plastic zippers. Many models operate quickly, making 120 cuts per minute with blanks of 50 millimeters in length. The machines are also easy to modify, with different knives that change the shape of the cut. You're probably familiar with thermal printing, but did you know there's also pad printing? The trick lies in the elastic element, called a roller or tampon, which allows printing on surfaces of almost any shape. This type of printing was invented in Switzerland. Initially, gelatin tampons were used, but they've since been replaced by silicone rubber versions. A fun fact about paper cups: Their counterparts were used in Imperial China. Naturally, the technology has evolved. Now the process is highly automated, requiring minimal human involvement. All that's needed is to load the raw materials and collect the finished products. Laser tube cutting offers several advantages. For example, it provides a fine cut line without deforming the edges. It's no surprise that machines like these are becoming more popular. Some of these machines can cut tubes up to 12 meters long. Professional software, combined with intelligent automation and auto-centering, minimizes the risk of defects. This stamping machine is perfect for both large and small-scale production. The quality of the parts is significantly better than with manual production. Lathes have been used since ancient Egypt, and they remain essential tools for many specialists. These machines allow the creation of complex parts in one processing cycle from various materials, such as steel, cast iron, stainless steel, and non-ferrous metals. The metal shavings can be pressed and sent for recycling, while the widespread use of CNC has sped up and simplified tasks such as threading, drilling, and countersinking. That's how modern technology helps us improve production step by step and opens up new opportunities in various industries. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in agro and manufacturing technologies, don't forget to subscribe to Agrotech, like this video, and hit the bell icon to not miss any new content. See you next time on Agrotech. Stay with us, and the future of technology will be within your reach.